how to engage your employees on your LinkedIn company page. So we go to the company page and let's just have a look here. And if you have a post on your company page, so look at your most recent post that you want to use. And we're going to click on notify employees. So that's the first tool. Number one, notify your employees. Up to 5 employees will be notified about this post. This means that your employees are literally notified in the post. So let's click yes. Okay, the next step is teach your employees how to actually reshare posts from the company page with their thoughts. So if you click on repost and click on repost with your thoughts and show this video to your team members so that they understand how to do it. Start writing or add to mention people, companies or schools. So we want to share this post demonstrating how to share a post from your company page to your employees network. And then teach them how to use hashtags as well. So in your industry, there will be particular hashtags that people use. A little bit of research will help with this. So you just use hashtags. There's lots of different social media tools out there to find the right hashtags. I'll put some in the notes below that you can go and check. Let's say employee advocacy, great. Also, when you're using hashtags, try and do what they call camel case with the capital letters for ease of screen reading. Employee advocacy, LinkedIn pages, employee engagement. There we go, 3 hashtags. 3 hashtags is a really good number to teach your staff to get used to doing. And then they can click on post. They can also schedule it for later. But what we don't want your team to do is just to share that post to their LinkedIn network without saying why they are sharing it. The other key thing I'd like you to do is engage your senior team, because if the C-suite in the company are doing this, then junior members are much more likely to follow suit. So notify employees, show your team how to actually post this card, how to post from the company page, and get them to engage on the company page. I can do that as myself here. There we go. And click insightful. Now it looks a bit weird because it's my page, but it won't look weird when it's your company employees that do it. And then it says, tell them why you find it insightful. LinkedIn does give you little tips and hints along the way on how to do these things. So hopefully you'll find this useful, share it with your team members and start getting more engagement on your company page posts.